So I have a problem with my Citroen. My handbrake button is broken, and auto park also doesn't work, and brake assist doesn't work. Look. Okay, now I want to show you how to change this. I buy a new one, and on the dash I have full with error. Look. You don't need any tool to change this. You have a clamp here. These two clamps. Push it and pull the button. Like that. This part was broken from the handbrake hand pull. From here, look. Okay, after you pull this up, look, another more parts fall off from this. Push here and do this. Okay. This is the new one. I hope it will work. Okay. And now must just pull the handbrake button in the hole. Like that. And this part first put in there in right and in left. Here. Be sure it's okay. And just push it up. And that's it. Okay. Now, let's start the car. Look, this is flashing. What's happening now? Press the brake pedal. And I still have the auto park off. ABS, SCP. Okay. Brake pedal on. I don't have anymore the error with handbrake button, but I still have ABS light. I'm coming with an update after I move the car couple of meters. Nothing on the dash. Nothing. I have no more problem and no more light on the error light, nothing. Let's see if I turn the car. Yeah, auto brake. Look, the brake is okay, it's auto. Let's see if I start the car. Auto release. I don't have the yellow light with auto park off, and the gear is in one. No more problem. Now I turn off the car. Everything is okay now. Bye, I'm happy.